All right, kids, here we go. Let's graph a line. God, I'm so jealous that you get to do math as I relax in the jungle in the Philippines. But anyway, here we go. All right, so we know that m is slope. We've learned that a long time ago, and usually it's a rise over run type of a situation. And then we know that this is the y-intercept, and this is where you start, and then you go up with the slope. So let's say, for example, you had y equals 1/2 x plus 3. Standard problem, right? So you start with 3, and since that's a y-intercept, you want to start with 3 on the y-axis, and then you got to remember which directions you're going. This is positive, so it's going to be up. This is positive, so it's going to be to the right. So you're going to go up 1 to the right 2, put a dot. Up 1 to the right 2, dot, dot, dot. And then you go the other way. Make sure you got a nice line, and then just like that. Look at that. So beautiful. Not even straight. Okay. But let's say you had a situation where you just had this. Now you've got no fraction for the slope. So you probably remember that you put a 1 at the bottom, but you have to remember which directions you're going. Since that 2 is negative, you're going to be going down. And the 1 on the bottom is positive, so you'll still be going to the right. But we start here at -6. So 1, 2, 3, 6. And then you're going to go down 2 to the right 1. And then the other direction 2. And you'll know that you did it right because you probably already know that negative slopes go downhill like that and positive slopes go uphill. So you can at least kind of check your work and go, oh, okay, well, if I have a negative slope, it should probably go down. And so that's how you can kind of look at it. But then let's see what happens if you have a negative in the middle, because you know that that's going to be a situation. So let's do y equals -3/4 x plus 5 or something like that. So what I was telling you guys before is that you can put the negative wherever you want. My preference is to drop it down to the bottom, but that's just me. So we start at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the 3 I've kept positive, so I'm going to go up 3. But the 4 I kept negative, so I'm going to go to the left. So up 3 to the left 4. And then you can go the other direction too. And then you should be able to make a line. And there you go. Those are the basics of graphing a line.